Einen wunderschönen guten Morgen, Freunde. Today we are gonna go shopping again, and Rattys birthday is coming up soon. When is your birthday? In 3 days, huh? No, in 2 days. Yeah? You excited? Mokko is somewhere in here. He's just getting ready. There he is. Good morning, Mokko.
Good morning, sir.
Nice outfit today. Yeah, man.
Always, man. Go up, you know. Yes, sir.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Let's roll. Mark,
Let's rock and roll.
you're coming?
Yeah, man.
We are on the way to grab a route taxi down to Moran Bay now, and I brought my laptop and my drone, this time with remote controller. But I'm gonna try to find an internet cafe and try to upload some videos, because last time when I went to the airport I didn't have any luck at all with uploading something. So let's see if I have more luck today.
Right in the street, man.
Yeah, man.
No apple.
Right in the street, a huge Jamaican apple tree, and I just got some for myself. Mokko just said that I would be able to survive in the wilderness.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yes,
man. Just pick some apples, man.
Yeah, I can eat it right through 24/7, you know.
Go and do what you want. Come on, go on, last night out there.
Yeah, man. I want to.
First time.
Hey, man.
Let's see how rapid it really is. Okay. They should not be allowed to call their shop Rapid Internet because it's rapidly slow. Just bought this soccer ball for Rattys birthday.
Choose which one? This one.
Yeah, man.
Want one like this?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome, sir. Okay.
We're already back in the yard and we had a swim as well, and now Mokko is preparing dinner, and I just wanted to show you how he is making coconut milk by hand. He's pressing it himself. No electricity, huh?
No, sir.
You don't fuck with electricity here.
Straight natural, see that?
Straight natural. Manpower.
Wicked. The sweetest food is tonight. The sweetest food is tonight. It's about spinach, you know.
Yeah, we got some spinach today, right?
Yes, sir. Spinach.
So we have in here, we have spinach. What else, Mokko? Tell us.
Bongo peas.
Bongo peas.
Bongo.
Bungo.
Yeah. Bongo and pumpkin, cocoa, pumpkin, bongo peas, pumpkin, cocoa, spinach, dasheen,
Sounds good, man.
and yam,
Nice.
and sweet potato.
Oh, nice. Good. Let's get it on.
Yes, sir. That's why we cook with this coconut. For what? It carry a lot, it's strong.
Mm-hmm.
And it make your food nice.
Yeah, man. I think the coconut is a little bit of the secret of your cooking, man. It very gives the food a lot of taste.
Taste, man. You get what about that? Sweet coconut, you know, eat the trash out. You know, eat the shape behind it, what we do. You know, see no sugar no in there.
Mm-hmm.
No sugar, man. And that's the sweet coconut trash. You think we play for cook? We don't play for cook.
Mm-hmm. We don't play, we cook.
You know, we don't joke for cook, man.
Yeah,
We
man.
cook a lot, brother. I tell this. I tell dish.
I tell dish, man.
Yes, sir. This make you eat healthy, cause natural healthy food we eat with spinach, gungo peas, dasheen, cocoa,
Yeah, man.
yam, sweet potato.
All the good stuff.
All
Man.
the good stuff. So, you know see what we are do? And this one for eat people. Make you say feel height and more. And live longer. We not eat no salt neither, you know.
Yeah, man.
We not eat no salt. But when it done, wow, you lick your finger. We just kill any time you scratch on it. Wow. Yeah, man. It's bigger.
Yesterday nothing happened anymore, and now I'm just chilling with Ratty in my room, and I'm editing. Yeah, every day editing. And tomorrow it's your birthday, Ratty. You excited? Yeah, man. Nice. Tomorrow we make a small birthday video. Ratty is getting 6 years old. 6. Wow. Yeah, man. Got it. It is 2 days later now, and today it's Ratty's birthday. Hey, Ratty. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah? And currently he's searching for his pump because I got him this. So he's finally able to put some air into his soccer ball. But we have to see if this thing actually fits into the bicycle pump he has. And this is the little room Ratty is sharing with his mother and his grandma and his mother's sister. Yeah, man. Today I think we will be going to Reggae Falls. It kind of works, guys, but not 100%. Let's pump it up. Ratty, did it work? We pumped it up, huh? What are you gonna do with this, Ratty? Oh, that's way better, huh? Can you bring this somewhere? Okay, I will come back here. Time to give Ratty his real present. He doesn't even know about it. I was hiding it back here in my room behind the bed. Ratty, that's your real present. Open it. Nice, Ratty, you like it?
Say something, Ratty.
Yeah.
You have a new ball?
Yeah.
Yeah! After some more rainfall, we're finally making our way to the Reggae Falls, and we have one more new guest at Mokkos. What's your name again?
Andy.
Andy. Yeah, man. And yeah, Danny is waiting up the road. We are gonna go to Reggae Falls. Mokko today again in a very different outfit.
Yes, sir.
With umbrella today, nice.
Yeah, man.
We might gonna need it.
Yeah. No might, you know.
Go, Danny.
Yeah.
After a short ride, we arrived at Reggae Falls. We need to walk a little bit. It was just like half an hour from Mokkos to Reggae Falls. That was very quick and dirty. I just flew my drone and we're already leaving again. Today our luck left us a little bit. The weather was so bad at the Reggae Falls that we arrived, went for one little quick swim, and I flew my drone and then we had it back already. And now I'm down at the riverbank all by myself, just going for a small little walk. Yeah. I just remembered there's one video that I didn't film an ending for, so I'm gonna do that right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lasst mir auf gar keinen Fall einen Daumen nach oben da, and see you in the next one. Peace.